Hello everyone and welcome to your Artificial Intelligence for Beginners course. Artificial Intelligence, AI, is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. From virtual assistants and recommendation systems to self-driving cars and creative AI tools, AI is already embedded in our daily lives. This course provides a beginner-friendly introduction to AI, helping you understand what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to your advantage. Throughout this course, you will learn the fundamentals of AI, including the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Explore how AI is already shaping everyday life through smartphones, social media, online shopping, and entertainment. Understand the history and evolution of AI from early concepts to modern advancements. Discover practical AI tools that can boost productivity, creativity, and decision-making. Discuss ethical considerations, common myths, and the future of AI. Each of us learns differently. Some prefer to follow information sequentially, while others like to explore topics based on interest. This course is designed to accommodate both styles. Each section can be viewed independently as long as you meet the prerequisites, which are outlined at the beginning of each module. For example, if you're more interested in AI applications and tools, you can skip the section on AI history and go straight to learning how AI can enhance productivity. The course is structured to be flexible, allowing you to focus on what matters most to you. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in AI and the confidence to integrate AI-powered tools into your daily life and work. Ready to unlock the power of AI? I'm excited to invite you to Artificial Intelligence for Everyone, now available on Udemy. In this beginner-friendly course, you'll learn the fundamentals of AI, machine learning, and deep learning, how AI is transforming everyday life, hands-on AI tools for creativity, productivity, and decision-making, myths, ethics, and the future of AI, practical ways to integrate AI into your work and personal life. The best part? The first 10 students get free access. Scan the QR code or follow the link in the comments. But hurry, the free offer ends on April 30th. Start your AI journey today. Let's build the future, one prompt at a time.